Back to, we have talked of sickle cell, we talk of
Blood
blood
group,
group, we've talked of
hepatitis B,
hepatitis B, and we've talked of
syphilis.
syphilis.
Yes,
As I was saying,
yes.
there are other things that we do
Overlook.
not
Yes.
take note, which
Okay.
has been a major cause of, I mean, confusions in marriage
Marriages. Okay. So
today.
let's talk about this one. So,
We can talk of this fibroid.
fibroid. Wow.
Fibroid. Men do not develop fibroid.
Okay.
It's women that develop fibroid.
Fibroid.
There is some a growth that develop in the womb that prevents the mother or the woman from what getting pregnancy.
Okay.
With the fibroid, you can have a pregnancy, but you can have series of miscarriages.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Fibroid needed to be known before marriage is very necessary. Once you discover you have it, the best option, treatment option for it is myomectomy. That is, you go for surgery for them to take it out.
Surgery. Okay.
Fine. People are saying that they have medication
Yes.
to get rid of it. As a herbal consultant that I've run a herbal clinic over the years, I've not come across a medicine now that can take care of fibroid. So when I have such condition, the best option I give them is to go for the myomectomy and then come back for treatment so that it will be possible to increase their chances of what becoming
But I've been
pregnant.
hearing medicine for fibroid. It will clear within 3 months and
They
stuff.
are saying it. You know, when I started this work and I started this advertisement on radio, I had a series of calls from people who claim to have medicine. I've had encounter with them, one-on-one encounter that I've taken.
So we want to ask, what are the causes of fibroid?
Thanks for the question. Fibroid as it is now has no known cause.
Okay.
It has no known cause. But we have risk factors,
Okay.
conditions that can lead to the formation or the development of fibroid in the womb.
Okay.
Normally, we do advise against fatty food and unpolished foods.
Okay.
Yeah, when you are the type of eating fatty, too much fatty food and unpolished food, it can interfere with your hormones, and you have what we call hormonal imbalance. That's where the fibroid find its way to develop in the womb.
I also heard that fibroid is hereditary because a family of 9, all of them are having fibroid. So is that one to a cause? If my mother is having fibroid or someone's mother is having fibroid, is it the probability that their children will have fibroid, is it high?
Fibroid is not hereditary.
Really?
Rather, what I'll say is, if you can have a family of 9 and they all have the fibroid, they should change their trend of eating.
Wow.
The type of food that their mothers are eating. As I told you, fatty food, unpolished food interfere with the hormones, change the hormones, because they what we call hormonal imbalance.
Okay.
And along the line, the fibroid find a way to develop in the womb.
Okay.
So if your mother has it and you have also had it, check the food that your mother ate
Okay.
and the food that you are eating,
Okay.
and you advise your kids as such
All right.
to prevent it from from developing it. It's not hereditary.
It's not hereditary. Okay. Then the last one, the sexual weakness.
Yeah. As I was saying it, we need also to know our fertility status in
Okay.
terms of both men and women before we enter into marriage. That's how come we came about talking about fibroid.
Okay.
So as a woman, you need to go for a scan,
Okay.
ultrasound scan, to
Okay.
see if your womb
It's
is okay,
okay.
the ovaries are all okay.
Okay.
If they are not, you treat it before you get into marriage to prevent you from these challenges that develop after marriage.
Okay.
With the men too, it's good for you to go and do what we call semen analysis.
Semen analysis.
So that if you find one thing, that is, if you find yourself having a low sperm count or other complications in terms of the sperm count, you also start treating
Okay.
before you get
Okay.
married.
Okay.
We have a condition we call azoospermia.
Okay.
With that condition, the man will not be able to impregnate a woman.
Wow.
If you go, you check, and it is so, whoever comes your way to marry, you have to make the person known about your condition. If the person loves you, he will love you from that angle, and you two will get married and be happy. If there are no kids coming in, you go into adoption.
So without condition,
There is no way the man, unless miracle.
okay.
Though I have treated 2 people with azoospermia. You know, azoospermia comes in different forms. Some have what we call varicose cell development. There are these veins on the testicles that generate heat,
Okay.
that kills the sperm when they are
Okay.
produced. That
Okay.
can lead to azoospermia.
Mm.
And some too might have infections such as gonorrhea and syphilis that might be causing the condition. Once you have the infection treated, the person can have the condition corrected.
Okay.
But about 8 out of 10 suffering from azoospermia, when you check, they can no more or no longer, or they can impregnate a woman.
So finally, we want you to advise the youth, or we that we are ready to get married. Advise as general.
Thank you.
Okay.
As a youth, be it a female or a male that want to enter into marriage,
Okay.
apart from the 4 traditional tests that we do, that is the syphilis,
blood group,
the blood group, the sickling status, and the hepatitis B. As a man, you need to go and check your fertility status.
Okay.
By going to check what we call semen analysis.
Okay.
And as a woman, you need to go to have an ultrasound scan.
Okay.
And see whether the ovaries and the tubes, everything is intact.
Okay.
If you find yourself wanting, you find yourself with challenge, you start treating before you get into marriage to prevent these conditions that develop in marriage that bring about breakage of marriage of that sort.
Okay. So please, if someone wants to visit your facility, want you to give us your directions and your number.
Thank you. As I'm speaking, my name, as I mentioned earlier, is Dr. Ewua Frank.
Okay.
AKA Dr. Abodise-1.
Okay.
Those who have been listening to Adom FM, Mission One FM, Oman FM, Rainbow Radio, Power FM, years back.
Okay.
If you heard of Dr. Abodise-1, I'm the same person that you are listening or you are watching me on your phone or whatever.
Yes.
I now run what we call Dr. Ewua Sankofa Natural Health Clinic, and I'm located at New Boy Town, Accra, New Boy Town, behind Domi Pokwasi Station. To be precise, Coke Depot.
All right.
You can reach me on the following numbers.
Okay.
0244
0244
61
61
00
00
06
06
or
0245
0245 44
44
22
22
33. In case you have challenges with the MTN network, you can reach me on Airtel Tigo.
Hello guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have learned a lot of things when you want to get married. So please start the subscribe button and watch out for more videos. See you on our next video. Bye bye for now.
Thank you.